Hey guys, how to make money as a content creator. Cut and dry topic. I said a lot to it. Make this post to inspire anybody that's thinking about it. If you're thinking about it and it's on your heart, you might as well start trying to post, and don't let another day or week or month or year go by without posting and trying to figure out the best route for you to make money. You can make money as a content creator on different platforms from your views and your engagements. You can get brand partnerships and sponsorships. You can be a part of affiliate programs. You can sell your own merch, your own digital products, your own physical products. And if you have a business as far as like catering, cooking, makeup services, hair services, pretty much a service where you're doing something for somebody, nails, esthetician, you can make money in different ways as a content creator. Find the route for you. To give some advice to someone starting out today, I would just give you a few simple steps. I would pick a platform that you're comfortable with, that you know how to use, and I will strategically post multiple times a day, and I would do whatever it takes, whatever the guidelines they have to get into a creator rewards program or some monetization program where I can make money and I can get people to come to my page. You can also run ads on your content too to help with engagement and followers. And I just want to let you know, like I'm a small creator. I probably have about 13,000 followers across all my platforms. So I'm like, what is it, a nano or micro? I don't know. But if you're gonna be hung up on numbers, your followers, your likes and comments, you're gonna stop. You're gonna quit. You have to keep going. One thing I love about me is that I transitioned from beauty and I started creating lifestyle content. So everything you see me post in real time, my content revolves around my life. Like today, I just filmed a hair tutorial. This is something I was gonna do anyways today. I'm gonna do an eye look. This is something I was gonna do anyways today. I'm gonna do a lip combo video. This is something I was gonna do anyway. So I batch film. So that's 3 videos that I'm gonna be able to film, edit, and you'll see them probably later today because I like to just get them out as soon as possible. Find a platform, know the requirements to get in the monetization program, secure a domain for yourself. Name cheap, Squarespace, GoDaddy. Secure your domain. Make sure you sign up for some type of link tree or a milkshake site where you can link all of your offers or things you want to promote to people. So if you do have a viral moment, or if you start getting people like traffic to your profile, you can send them to your website to buy your merch, your digital project, your LTK, your Amazon, whatever your offers are. Make sure all your links are working. Linktree is free. I've had Linktree for years. I just connected mine to my domain name. It's teddimarie.com. Hyphenate. I'm someone that posts a lot of different content, but I do have my main pillars like beauty. I will always be a beauty content creator. I love beauty, and that's what I'm here to share, to inspire others with beauty and teaching women how to do their natural hair or makeup, women that look like me, or just inspiring anybody, to be honest with you. Lifestyle is a big broad thing. So lifestyle could be, you can teach people how to cook, you can do vlogs. You want to make content that you are comfortable with sharing. Like me, I don't want to show my whole house. I don't show my kids in my content all the time. I pick and choose what I want to share. I don't tell my personal business. Now, it would be interesting if I did. You get to curate how you want to run your content on your platform, your website, whatever you're building. if that makes sense. Just going into knowing that, yeah, you might have a spark of luck, or, you know, you may just get followers right away. You have to be able to monetize that audience right away. And you have to be engaging. You have to, like right now, I'm going on live. Do I feel like going on live? No. Do I have a lot of people in the room? No. But that's okay. I'm promoting myself. I'm showing up for myself every day. So showing up for yourself, really knowing why you're doing what you're doing, your purpose. Of course, we're all money driven. We want to buy things. We want to take care of our families, but you got to have a purpose bigger than just buying the latest handbag or some other silly stuff. You know what I mean? So that's what I would encourage you guys to do if you are... I'm sorry, I'm just fixing this. This looks so good. I haven't done a mohawk in so long. Sorry, I'm just gassing myself up a little. But I think that's all I pretty much want to say. Just get started. Just get started. I know there's a lot of creators that give advice. I feel like everybody is at a certain place. And you have to get to that place where you are doing what you're supposed to be doing. And not worried about what everyone else is doing. So I'm going to leave you with that. I'm not going to ramble too much because this is a topic I'm definitely passionate about. And if you are catching me in the replay, thank you so much. Please share, like, and comment on this post if it was helpful. And I will see you guys very soon. Bye.